Hello friends, welcome you all once again in lecture series Machining Science and Machine Tool. I am Amit Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Suresh Kianwar, University, Jaipur. Today is the 19th lecture of lecture series Machine Science and Machine Tool. The unit is currently covered. Topic of the today lecture is cutting fluid. So let's start. The objective of this cutting fluid lecture is to primary function of cutting fluid is to cool the tool, workpiece, and chip, reduce friction at the sliding contacts, and prevent or reduce the welding or adhesion on the contact edges that cause a build-up edges on the cutting tool or insert. So today we are basically discussing about the cutting tool, the properties of the cutting tool, characteristics of cutting tool, and advantages of the cutting tool, and what are the benefits of the cutting tool during the machining operation. Outcomes, that is at the end of the lecture, student will be able to understand due to the development of new engineering materials and high speed cutting or cutting fluid play an important role in machining. Commonly, the use of cutting fluid can decreasing the cutting temperature, reduce the friction between the tool and the workpiece, extended tool life, and improve the machining efficiency and surface quality. So these are the outcomes of this lecture. The student will be able at the end of this lecture. First of all, that is a cutting fluid. So what is the definition of cutting fluid? Basically, a cutting fluid may be defined as any substance, may be liquid, gas, or solid, which is applied to a tool during a cutting operation to facilitate removing of chip. So which is applied to a tool during a cutting operation to facilitate remove the chip, because we know that during the machining of time operation, the tool cut the workpiece and formation of the chip. So during the formation of the chip, or we can say that for remove the time of material, the temperature is too much increasing at the surface of chip and the surface of tool and workpiece also. For removal the for material, or to maintain the quality of the surface of the workpiece, so we requirement of the cold cutting fluid. So that is the definition is also known as, it may be liquid, gas, or solids, which is applied to tool during a cutting operation to facilitate removal of chips. Now, what are the functions of the cutting tool? So as we said that the first tool is that we can say the tool to cool the cutting tool and the workpiece. The first function of the cutting tool is to cool the cutting tool and the workpiece. Second is to lubricate the chip, tool, and workpiece. To lubricant, that is a lubricant purpose also used for the cutting fluid. Third one is to help carry away the chip. Fourth one is to lubricate some of the moving part of the machine tool. Fifth is equal to improve the surface finish. Sixth is to prevent the formation of build-up edge. And seventh is to protect the work against rusting. So these are some functions of the cutting tool. Basically, during the machining time, we know that the cutting tool we required temperature cool maintaining or lubrication purpose to quality maintain the surface of the tool, and with the material or tool life, because cutting edge will be reduced during the workpiece. To help carry away the chip, these all are the some important aspects that we know understand during the cutting fluid used on the machining. Or as well as we can set a lubricant for moving parts of the machine tool, we require some lubricant. So at the cutting fluid we used to improve the surface finishing. Obviously, at the surface finishing is the most important factor, that is to remove the roughness, or we can create and develop new surface finishing on the surface of a workpiece. To prevent the formation of buildup, because buildup edge generated due to the high temperature, and for reducing the temperature we require the cooling agent, that is the coating fluid. So the for the cutting fluid are continuously drop on the surface of the tool and the workpiece, that is help to fabricate it, help to we can say develop the continuous chip rather than to the continuous build-up chip. So we for this we remove the amount of material and precaution from the build-up edges. Seventh is to protect the work against rusting. So that is the products to the work against rusting is basically understand about the protection is required. It's the most important because unwanted material or we can say that unwanted material are absorbed on the surface of workpiece and which is deformation process of the material which is not required for the machining. During the machining, we want to clean that particular tool or workpiece before starting the machining. So for that we required a good machining operation to protect the work against the rise rusting. It is just example of all other functioning of a cutting fluid are required for the maintaining the tool life or to maintain the cutting tool as well as to the workpiece also. As you see in this diagram, this is the first diagram that you see in here. That is, these are the tool, which are chuck hold by the tool. These are the you can say the lubricant. As you see, lubricant is used cutting fluid as a for a tool and the workpiece also to maintain the temperature and to continuously remove the material. Second diagram you can see in this diagram, these are the three type of nozzle we are providing for the cutting fluid. This one also for regarding to the providing the cutting fluid to maintain the temperature of the uh, tool or to maintain the build up chip formation. So these all are the diagrams that show that the cutting fluid how it works and how it prevent from the we can say that the rusting unwanted surface precaution we have taken due to by removing the we can finishing the material. But sometimes what happened is due to the high temperature increasing. So before increasing the high temperature, we reduce by the coolant used or as a cutting fluid used for it. The name is cutting fluid. Cutting fluid that means that by during the cutting we require some fluid for maintain the temperature. So that's why we can say it's a cutting fluid. Okay, so these are the some advantages we can got the benefits as per as the requirement of the machining. Because if you do not maintain the temperature of that cutting tool, that will reduce the tool life as well as to reduce the reducing the wear, or it will be chances that the more metal will be damages or uneven roughness or irregularity will be occur on the surface of workpiece because when the continuously working on the cutting tool, it observed that the tool will wear and the tool wearing cause that the roughness will be increasing. So for increasing the surface finishing, we require a tool with fresh condition. That is, the cutting edge will be continuously or maintained. So that's why we will be use the cutting fluid for preventing all the stumps to maintain the quality of the workpiece or to maintain the quality of the tool and the chip formation. So these are the some basically we can see the functions and diagrams of workings of the cutting fluid, which is to be used in generally nowadays in every non-conventional machining because we as we know that electric discharge machine EDM, ECM, plasma machining all have the wire EDM card. They are the dielectric fluid we use for the as a coolant. So dielectric fluid is a special type of fluid and sometimes we use for the water during the cutting of any workpiece. So water we also require. Water is also the good agent. So these all are the benefits we will be got from the point of as we can say that these are the some benefits we will be finding. So after that, what we do, we have some standards formation or standardization we have to maintain the quality or to increase in the surface finishing as per the rules or as per the good machining requirement. We will be handle this type of operations because we know that as you know that in this diagram that has a too much amount of fluid or contact on the workpiece and the tool between them because it reduces the quality of the workpiece and it will easily remove the material because some of the material are cut but they are cheap or form and form with contact with the unwanted surface. So for removal it will be help to us. So these all are the function that we will be find out or we can say that some function we will be carried out to be understand the property of the material. So for increasing the microstructure or we can say for maintaining the property also for the workpiece, it is required too much amount of department. We can say hardly the amount we required of the machining or for maintaining the quality of the workpiece. These all are the used by the cutting fluid. So, however, the primary function of the cutting fluid in a metal cutting operation is to control the total heat. However, the primary function of a cutting fluid in a metal cutting operation is to control the total heat. This can be done by the dissipating the heat generated as well as reducing its mechanism, by which a cutting fluid perform those functions are cooling action and lubrication action. So the cutting fluid may be applied to the cutting tool in the following ways. So by hand using a brush, by means of drip tank acting to the machine tool body, or by means of the pump. So these all are some benefits we will be got, and with the help of this we will to understand the cutting fluid may be applied on the cutting fluid with the different conditions. So that is, we can say that the machining tool or the cutting operation is to be controlled or total heated by the using the cutting fluid on the surface. So this dissipating the heat generated as well as the reducing it for maintain the mechanism by which the cutting fluid perform those functions are controlling the actions and the lubricating actions also. So with this, by handing the using a brush by meaning of a dip drink tank attached by the machining body by meaning of the pump, which is to be eliminated, which is to be useful for the further examination. So it helps to understand that is the more ductile material if we have, it is easy to break if there is a more high temperature increasing on surface of it. So it will be reduced sometime. It will not happen because it has the multiple we can say that the fluid are in the same machining. So they are the different type of fluids are generally used for the specific purpose, normal purpose, and regular purpose. So what are the generally we use for the water? Okay, so for the water is the good cutting tool for reducing the temperature. But in some cases we use some dielectric fluid and any special type of fluid we required for the machining. As a depending upon the condition, depending upon the machining operation or the we can say that the tool or workpiece property also. So because if you use the iron, we can say that the carbon content had more in the workpiece surface. So when you react with the water, it will be chances that some corrosion property occur after some time. So for reducing this, we will be preventing some dielectric fluid or any other specific type of fluid which is not react with the working workpiece or the cutting tool. So the requirement of the good, we can say requirement of the good cutting to fluids. So are as the follows. So first is it should have a long life, free of excessive oxide formation that might clog circulation system. So it should have too long life. So there's a too long life for increasing the by applying the cutting fluid. Is definitely is will possible. Free of excessive oxide formation that might clog circulation system, which will be affected by the some body or the cutting fluid. Second one is it should be suitable for variety of cutting tool and material and the cutting operation. So it should be suitable for a variety of cutting fluids. That is, there are the different types of cutting tools are here, and different types of materials are respected to the cutting tool. So these all are the cutting operation will be suitable for the requirement of the cutting fluid. Second one is that is it should have lubricating quantity. So the requirement of cutting fluid, that is a heavy lubricating quantity must be required. So high thermal conductivity, low viscosity to permit easy flow and easily separation from the impurities and chip, and should not stick to workpiece or machine. So these are the some conditions basically or the requirement as we can say of the cutting fluid be required for maintain the permittable easy fluid or easy separation from the impurities. So it should be transparent where the high dimensional accuracy and fine finishing are required. So it should be transparent where high dimension accuracy and fine finish are required in order to enable the operator to have a clear view of tool and the workpiece. It should present no fire or accident hazard or emit obnoxious dust or vapor harmful to operate or workpiece and should cause no stick irritation. So basically, these are the some requirement of cutting fluid we have. So generally, what to do? We mention the cutting fluid that is water, dielectric fluid, or any special cutting fluid. Basically, the role plays for requirement to it should be have the lubricant is a quantity. They are omitted. It should have a lubricant quantity and high thermal conductivity and low viscosity to permit the easily flow. Because viscosity of high the particular liquid that is it is not easy to flow and difficulty to lubricant used for the machining. For it we require the low viscosity and high thermal conductivity because during the temperature increasing, if the material will have a low conductivity, then it will be sometime it will burn or it will be injurious or dangerous for the operation. So for preventing all this type of problem, which is required a cutting fluid or it may be used for the machining. Then we can also know that you are high for the high accuracy required, high accuracy requirement for that, high finishing requirement for that to be used for between the tool and the workpiece. So we require a tool because the tool have maintain the surface roughness, reduce the surface roughness, and increasing the finishing of material as the quantity. So these all are the some benefits basically we will consider. So these are some examples. Basically, these are the some example of these are the some standardization we require we use. So it should be the transparent where the high dimensional accuracy and high finishing are required. So it should present no fire or accident hazard or emit erroneous odors. Because it has no accidental awards, it will be occurring your chance. We have a chance that for maintain the quality or maintain the property of the workplace. So it is not easy because of chemical reactions also take place between them. So for all this, we require some good machining operation. It is very helpful to you understand that. There's no strict representation, or we can say that there's some permission we required for the machining operation that to be find out how much temperature required. You can maintain the temperature, you can increase and maintain the temperature and find out the thermal conductivity of that particular material which you liquid which is not affected or which is not reacted with the tool temperature. So these all are the some benefits basically we got that is to be understand the various phenomena, various principles for that machining operation. Now that is the cutting fluid are classified to some following functions. That is the cutting fluid are classified three reasons. But first of all, oil-based neat oil. Only the oils are used. Second is gas-based coolant. Some gases are used for the coolant purpose, and some is Abascus based. Okay, so first of all, that we are dividing into such part. That is first is divided into the oil-based subcategory. As a oil-based, that is the minerals oil we used, animal oil used, or vegetable oil we used. So which one is used depending upon the material, depending upon the condition or operation to perform for that. And second one that is gas-based. That is only the gas-based, single gas-based. There is no any subparts. And third one that is the Abascus based, that is it have two subpart is for a solution, that is the water in oil, and e-solution is the oil in water. First of all, you use the water in oil. You can put the mix with the water in the oil, and another was emulsion, that is as you know that is oil in the water. And each have the some one substitutes, that is the water in oil, that is the synthetic cutting fluids, and oil in water, that is the semi-synthetic cutting fluid. So these are the some chart or description of the cutting fluid are divided into the following category. These are the three category and divided by the each individual the 3T category, and another one is 2 category for that. So these are the some basically we use for the machining operation for cutting fluid. Next one is the type of the cutting fluids. That is the broad classification of cutting fluid and the grinding fluids is as follows. First is straight or neat oils. As completely we can say straight oil or neat oil, that is no mixture or are required for the oil. It is only pure oil will be used for the cutting fluid. Second one is the water immiscible cutting fluid. The water is used for some time because as a lubricant agent. Third one is the synthetic or semi-chemical cutting fluid. So synthetic or the semi-chemical cutting fluid basically we are also used for the type under the category of a cutting fluid which is generally used in the market nowadays. So that first of all I can explain the one by one. First is straight or neat oil. That is some conditions are as follows. First, that is these are derived from the petroleum, animal, marine, or vegetable substance, and may be used straight or in the combination. Second one is their main function is lubrication and rust prevention. Third one is they are chemical stable and lower in cost. Fourth one is they are usual restricted to the light duty machining or metal on a high machinability such as aluminum, magnesium, brass, and the lead steels. So these are some benefits basically we are having. If the benefits we have not having, that is, we can say that the merchant chemical property of the material will not be good or it will be low in the price. So that is during the low price, the chemical property will remove. That means it will be affected on the if you affected or react with the metal or the tools or workpiece, which will be dangerous for the removing the material in the future. So these all are the function basically we require for that. These are the some undersigned or we can say chemically stable lower than the portion we require for. So some conditions are open depending upon the nature, depending upon the rusting prevention, depending upon the restricted level light duty machining on the metal. So these all are the functions basically we required for the types of cutting fluid under the category of straight or neat oils. Second one, that is the water miscible cutting fluid. Water miscible cutting fluid is under the category that is water miscible fluid from the mixture ranging from the illusion to solution, basically, which due to their high specific heat, high thermal efficiency, coefficient, and high prevention of high heat of vaporization are used in about 90% of the metal cutting and the grinding operation. So these type of operations are performed during the metal cutting or grinding operation, because grinding is also required for the good machining, or we can say that the material we use for the selection. It is the totally describe the ratio where to be understand what are the beneficials we can take from the system. So the water band is usually in the ratio of one part, that is 15 to 20% or parts water for cutting and 40 to 60% part water for the grinding. So these are the some requirement of that particular grinding in the terms of the water and that percentage. So it just case under the category of water miscible cutting used. So water miscible cutting used, that we can say that for saving the electricity to maintain the content, the cutting fluid and the grinding operation temperature, as well as we can understand the high thermal conductivity we will use and high capacity required for the cutting machining or the cutting grinding operation. So these are the some basically the defects, or we can say there are some types of also for the cutting fluid. Third one is synthetic chemical or semi-synthetic cutting fluid. The first is synthetic coolant, refer to any coolant, lubricant, concentrate that does not contain the petroleum oil. So synthetic cooling refer to any coolant, lubricant, concentrate that does not contain the petroleum oil. So sometimes it will be some petroleum or chemical oil is required for this. Because the chemical oil, and if you do not have any idea how to use the chemical oil, how chemical oil will beneficial for that, that is we do not have any idea. So how we can obtain this type of results in a good sector? So semi chemical, that means the chemically we use for further war, and semi chemical, that means cutting fluid we use for the semi footing fluid. So at understand we consider synthetic fluids refer to any coolant, lubricant, concentration that does not contain petroleum oil. So these are some diagrams. They are some understand topics we will discuss for to you understanding the concept. Now in the semi contains a small amount of the mineral oil plus additives to further enhance the lubrication property. These are the gain wide popularity in the industry today because they incorporate the tensile quantity of the both chemical and the normal water emulsions. So the options are advantages are as follows. That we can say that is also the format. Now before the advantages, we are just showing you that is semi chemical coolant contain a small amount of mineral oil plus additives to further enhance the lubricating property. So these are some condition that is from there a small amount they would use for mineral oil. Some of the plus the addition of the enhance that is for lubricating property. So these are gained by the popularity in the industry today because they incorporate the best quality of the both chemicals and normal water emulsion. These are the some basically we can say that the simulation of chemical coolant as well as we can say the best quality of chemicals and normal with the emulsion. So the advantage that is a slight, very light residual film that can that is easy to move. Second is a more dissipated is rapid. Third one is good deteriorating properties. And fifth one is we can fourth one that is we can say an easy concentration control with no internal flame trap role. So which is the use for the day? That is the advantages are basically used for the advantages of cutting fluid. And the disadvantages are as follows. To understand the lack of lubrication, it is oiliness, may cause some etching in the morning moving part by so the lack lubrication oiliness may cause some etching in the moving part of the machine tool. Another one is that is the high degradation or detergency may irritating sensitive hand on a long period of time. So what happened that is a basic as we can say the structure of the tool that is less rust and the proper lubrication there is some tendency to form. So these are some advantages and disadvantages of the cutting fluid, which is used to be widely in the everywhere and every industry or every home appliances also for understanding the basic fundamental concept. It is just easy to understand to find out the way up we can use for that particular area. So this time we can indicate to be play your own role. That is what the role play. That is for reducing the diameter, for increasing the tool life, increasing the temperature of basically the cutting tool. That is the time of reducing such type of parameter of are connected for the end of the series. So these are the lubrications or as well as you can the good property required for that. After that, it will be easy to concentrate to control the with the no interference from tram floor. So there are some benefits. There are some benefits. There are some conditions will be occur for that. It will not easy to conduct. It will not easy to manage. It will not easy to understand. So for high, that you can manage for this. These are some advantages of I find that is to be most important for the advantages of and disadvantages of the machine life or cutting tool as well. There are some properties of a cutting fluid are as the follows. The property of cutting fluids are as follows. First is it should possess good lubricating properties to reduce the friction forces. So it should possess that the good lubrication properties having the requirement of cutting fluid. Second, to reduce the friction time, that is to for increasing the lubricating property to increasing the to reducing the friction time. It is the most required for that. You know, it is more dissipation on the surface of workpiece by controlling the parameter is spindle speed, cut rate, cut off that, and cut. These all are the some reducing by which by applying the forces or the lubricating property. Next one it should be non-toxic. Non-toxic that means the toxic is the dangerous form. If it is non-toxic that is not used it should not be used for as a non-toxic material. Second one is it should be chemically inactive. That means the chemically inactive is used for the that particular material for if you are using the steel for lubrication and the after cutting machine that what steel we require for lubricant that is a daily steel also different type of lubricant are used for that. Next one is that it should have not easily flammable. So it obviously it will not easy flammable. We will also be used for the different number of times in the lighter or we can say that some observe we cannot easily flammable, but is not easily flammable in case of the tool or cutting fluid. So it should be it should be stable in use, and the storage having the reason of for that. And these are some example of the, we can say high heat thermal conductivity is required for that. So high heat thermal conductivity, that means that it will be required for the good machining. It will require for the maintaining surface. It will require to chemically inactive or flammable. So these all the other cutting properties of cutting fluids are required for the maintaining. Second one, that is the characteristics of a cutting fluid. Cutting fluid characteristic first is a good cooling capacity. So first one is good cooling capacity. Second one is a good lubricating quantity. Third one, resistance to rancidity. Fourth is relativity, low viscosity. IV, that is a longer stable life. Sixth is a rusting formation. And seventh is a non-toxic formation. Or eighth is a transformation. Or nine is a non-flammable required. So all are the required or conditions are different, and with the characteristics are different. For that we have the common discussion, that is the norms for have. Four members are placed here, and the remaining members are to be placed outside the signal. So what we do, the cutting parameter is used for that. So cooling capacity, cooling good lubrication, resistance to acidity, and stable long life, and non-toxic and transparent metal we use for that. So the good characteristics maybe are discussed in such a way, which is to be used a very good machining process for that. So as we noted, the what are the difference between the cooling fluid and the multi-quantity, minimum quantity lubrication? So the food cooling or minimum order quantity MQL is defined as the following points. First is volume flow rate of cutting fluid is significantly higher. So the first point is positive, that is the volume point of cutting fluid is significantly higher. Second is the volume flow rate of cutting fluid is comparatively low. So the cutting fluid will have the rate of cooling fluid comparatively low. Second is the cutting fluid is delivered without mixing with air. So the cutting fluid is delivered without any mixing of air, and the cutting fluid which is delivered in the mixing, that is the after the compressed air we use for that. These are some benefits basically we can set it. For the third one, that is the flow velocity of the at the nozzle output is comparatively less, and then the third point of MQL, that is the fluid air mixture is delivered to the cutting zone at high velocity for the better action. These all are the some conditions we required for the good machining, and what machining we require for that. Third one, it is using the cutting fluid is usually filtered, cooled down, and used. Fourth one, the normal cutting fluid that is not used, and due to the lower the flow rate we required for that is the Google Meet. We required for that. We have a machining. We have to find out the tolerance. We reduce the quality of the uh, we can say medium mistake. It will increase in the good quality of material. So as that we must be keep in mind. So for the and better understanding. Next one, the larger the volume of cutting fluid is wasted after the fluid lost its property. So the last volume of cutting fluid is wasted after the loss property for the that some machining duration. Less volume of cutting fluid is wasted we use for it. Actually, due to the high volume of the fuel disposal, it is always associated with the negative environmental impact. So the MQL has palliatory important on environment, and does it consider as an environmental friendly, which was at delivering cutting fluid. Seventh is the fluid cooling the trans to cold cord of the machine tool or other accessories of a faster rate. So the corrosion that tends to be the machining tool, and the other accessories is low with the minimum quantity lubrication. So these are the some diagram. We can say the objectives, or we can say the difference between the fluid pulling and the multi minimum order quantity lubrication are required for that. Why it is important? Because these all are the point we consider for the different aspect and they are different military zone. For understanding the quantity of the fruit pulley, we will also discussing after the end of the lecture. You will be drop me a mail on my email ID that is. We will be discussing for that. Next, it is the recommended cutting fluid for various working material. What recommended fluid for definitely operation and process are hard materials are listed here. Turning material after that, then after drilling, warming, threading, and milling. So for that, the alloy if we use for the work material, then turning preparation with soluble turning we used, and drilling we have soluble turning, spiced oil, and mineral oil. What oil will be required for the that particular operation? Malleable iron, that is a soluble iron oil we use for that. For drying salt or dry, we can say that is soda water or the dry sada water. So these all are the requirement of your conditions as per the needed. Next one, that is the cost iron, that is dry salt solve, air signal. I registered that. Copper, that is a soluble oil, air, cubical oil, and mineral are used for that. Convex, that is the we can say soluble oil is required for the machining purpose. And last one, it is aluminum, that is soluble in the kerosene, where the will solution will mineral oil and the solution will be converted into the another form. Is known as the recommendation fluid cutting of various working material. So these are the some working material we obtained for that, and if we have any idea during the machining, we just keep in mind that it's this tools will be required first more, and all the cutting parameters are doing this with the respective of the cutting brass and aluminum metals also. Because it's difficult to cut, I hope you understand this is all are the some part under the category of the fluid material. Next, that is we can say that cutting fluid and the lubrications have the cutting fluid is reduced heat produced by the tool and the work. So basically, this type of heat and workplace are produced, and at the time the cutting fluid will be reduced. Second one, that is in the case of a lubricant, the lubricant is a soluble having the property of all thick stiffness. Lubricant is a soluble substance having the property of thickness. Second point is that cool so soluble oil with the water. It recommend or it cementite the solution of oil is recommended of water, which is more dangerous for it. And it does not contain any solution will be oil and water. Second point is cover for the lubricant. Next point for the cover of entire fluid, that is a fluid that the job and help the lubricant for this are the required for the machine operation. So we, as we just all of the conditions required for that oxidation can occur due to the presence of. So seventh is that oxidation to occur the entire of the interest and behavior like this. These are the some diagram. Basically, we are understand the basic principle in cutting of the cutting group tool, which is to be more greater than that of surface. So these all are the some was 7 types of what is the 14 types of cutting fluid temperature are given below. For better understanding of the lecture, it will be prepared to you, or it will be managed more attractive rather than when you are expert for the machining operation for that. So it will be easily to understand that what the metal will be conducted. So what we do is all of the some fluid factors and the lubrications are different property, fluid paper and different the junction, all are the different type of aspect required for the movement. So these all are the function basically identify the material which is not used for the purpose of machining operation. So as you see in this diagram, that is the work processes are here that have to be name of the metal and each and every turning and the drilling operation are to be used for the machining operation. So these are the some benefits we will be find out during the examination. Now at the time of this end of the lecture, I am just asking some multiple choice questions on behalf of this Mr. Roughness to be answered at checking. The first is a cutting fluid, almost used for machining. LOS series. Options are water, is submerged, D dry, or D superheated mineral oil. The correct answer for this is D. Is used for the cutting fluid that is used for machining alloy synthesis. Second purpose we can say that is the cutting fluid are used to first is open and cloth cool that and cool down the tool. They improve surface finishing. C workpiece of the tool, and D is the all of the machine. Correct answer for this it is the D is the correct answer of all are the correct for the cutting tool as used. Third one that is the cutting fluid depends upon the machining steel is A is equal to water, B is equal to soluble, D is equal to dry and A is equal to dry and D is equal to heavy oil. The correct answer for this B is equal to heavy oil. Fourth function that means function of the cutting fluid are options is A the tool cutting tool and the workpiece to lubricate the cheap tool and workpiece to have the carry away from the workpiece to all the time mentioned that is required for that. So we require for the machining, we require the step to step and to can maintain the quality of the workpiece or the tool life and the workpiece for maintaining the structure. So there's hope you can understand all the terms and conditions. Fifth one is a dash from the mixture range from the emission to solution. The options are near missing fluid, B noise as oil, C synthetics and D none of the mention. So the basic answer is A. That is the water side mix from mixture range is essential to solution, which is more dangerous for that. If we required for that, we require for the machining, it is to be observed to be mentioned. Sixth one is the advantages of chemical fluid are the advantages of chemical fluid are A option is a very light residual film that is easy to remove. B is equal to heat dissipated in rapid. C is equal to rapid denigrated property in all of the mentioned above. The right answer is A. And it is the advantage of chemical process are a very light residential flame that can be easy to move. In the further lecture, we will be discussing the detail. Seventh one, that is the cutting, the method of application of cutting fluid are as follows. First is A fooding, B flat application, B jet application, C just missed application, and D is equal to all of the mentioned above. These are the some conditions we occur for the machining. It is at answer D obviously. For the all conditions mentioned above, and we can say that is the tool we use for the particular operation. So depending upon the application, based on the what type of application required for the what type of tool we use, single point tool, multi point tool, any other type of cutting tool. So what we do this expression by applying the some minimum forces from the surface of workpiece. So at the end of the week, can say that is the 10 questions are also covered that used in the separate the tramp oil. As you know that is from the rotated steel spindle are used for the surface. It is more harder than the steel. It will be reduced the motion. Second, that is are used to separate the temp oil and submerged oil from the coolant. That is a refrigerant oil, refrigerant oil. That is, it will the area of the contact will be working with them. If the area of this these are related to each other, and most of the time we reduce the machining operation for that purpose. So for that, it will be easy to understand or easy to the knowledge. We can increasing the parameters or by applying the some type of quantity which is used to be for measuring the coolant or as the substance we required for that. So these are the some benefits will be got from the numerical purpose and as well as from the we can say the material we have in this. So for maintain the quality, for maintain the structure, we will require for this. So with this permission, that is end of the cutting tool. That is, I hope you understand cutting tool to the lecture fluid The modern machining, or we consider the special type of books we recommend for this unit 3 series, the series Machine Inside Machine Tool. That is, the first book is the Modern Machining Process by P.C. Pandey and H.S. Shah, a Tata McGill publisher. Second is Machine Tool Design by N.K. Mehta, Tata McGill publisher. Third is the Production Engineering Science by P.C. Pandey and C.K. Singh, West Center publication. And fourth, Manufacturing Technology by R.K. Rajpur, Lakshmi publication. And last but it is the Manufacturing Technology by P.N. Rao, Tata McGill publication. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you doubt any query, you will be drop me a mail on my email ID amit.tiwari@mygyanway.com. If you have any doubt, you can also contact my mobile number 8690319448. Thank you so much for listening patiently. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.